In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell physical products on Podia. While Podia is built primarily for digital products, you can absolutely use it to sell a small number of physical items by collecting your customers' shipping addresses at checkout. You'll still handle fulfillment and shipping on your own, but this setup makes checkout smooth and keeps everything in one place. Start on your Podia dashboard. We're going to enable a setting that adds an address field to every checkout. Open Settings, then go to Payments and choose the Taxes section. Here, turn on Collect Customer Addresses for tax reporting. This applies to all products in your account, and there isn't a per product toggle, so be sure you're comfortable collecting addresses across the board. Once enabled, customers will see a required address field during checkout, which you can use for shipping. Click Save to lock in the change. Next, let's create the product your customers will purchase. Head to Products and create a new product. Give your product a clear name so buyers know exactly what physical item they're ordering. Choose the course product type and create the product. Even though you're selling a physical item, the course format works well because it lets you present post-purchase instructions in a clean, organized way inside a lesson. With the product created, open it and add a new lesson. Choose a text lesson and write out what happens after purchase. For example, confirm that you've received the order, explain typical processing and shipping timelines, and let customers know you'll ship to the address they entered at checkout. If you offer variations, sizes, or colors, clarify how buyers should specify their choices if that applies to your workflow. You can also note how customers can reach you via your site's contact page if they need help. Here's a helpful tip for managing limited inventory. Set a sign-up limit on the product to match the number of units you're prepared to ship. This prevents overselling and keeps expectations aligned. While Podia doesn't track stock for physical goods, this sign-up limit gives you a simple cap that's easy to manage. That's it. By enabling address collection, saving your settings, creating a course-style product, and adding a clear text lesson with next steps, you can sell physical items on Podia with a streamlined checkout and clear communication. When orders come in, just use the collected addresses to fulfill and ship. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!